Take up a problem on triangular lamina. How to draw this by using AutoCAD software. A triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners touching it, such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front views in this position. Also, determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. Here, since it is resting on HP, so obviously we have to start the problem from HP. And since it is a odd number size, whether it is resting on HP or corner, always make that edge perpendicular to VP in the top. So once you do that, so you have the first position. Then he says in the second position, he has not given the surface inclination, but instead corner opposite to the side is 15 mm above HP. What does it mean? Which is the corner? B dash, the point which you have in the front view, you have a single point, then it is a corner, that is B dash. And now corner opposite to this is a side AC. How do I know that? When you look from the top view, you can see this point is B is a corner and this point, this edge is a side. And he says in the first position, both the corner and this side is resting on HP. But in the second position, he says 15 mm above HP, but corner is on HP. So A dash C dash will be above HP by 15 mm. And to this, you have to write the top view. And then he says, makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So this angle, what he has given is the true inclination. Make sure that whether that side is in true length or not. Since the side A dash C dash is parallel to HP, so in HP you are getting the true length. How do I know that it is in the true length? Here in the first position, AC is also 25. In the second, also AC is 25. Therefore, this line is in true length. And the given inclination is also true inclination. So from the projections of lines, on true inclination line, you will get the true length. So you rewrite the same second position top view by rotating an angle of 30 degree, by rotating to a 30 degree with VP. And write the corresponding front view. And when you determine the inclination, then you will going to get as 43.86. So this is the measurement what I will going to get. So the same thing, what should I get now by using the software? So now I will just go for the AutoCAD script. Here I will go for the polygon and give the number of sides as 3. Then take the edge position. Then I will go for ortho on. I will click on this point and take the distance as 25. Then I will go for a line and draw a line from here. Then you go to snap, go to perpendicular here, enable this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, fillet between this line and this line. Now you select this triangle and as well as this one and go to properties, change the properties to the visible line. So you have changed it. Now you go for line, select this point. From here you draw the horizontal. Now you go for D text, select this point, take the height as 3, then the rotation angle of text as 0, and here put the caps lock on, type X. In this case it is VP, and in this case it is HP. Then you type A, small letter A, then you type small letter B, and then you type small letter C now. Similarly, you take A dash, sorry, put the caps lock off, type the A dash, then you come down to B dash, then here you type C dash in bracket. Because when you look from the front view, C is away from the observer. Enter. Now you switch off, disable both these two. Then you will go for move. Select this, take VP, then you take HP now. Similarly, B dash, take A dash, then you take C dash. Then go to A, then you take B, then you take C now. Okay. Now you take this, the entire text, select this, and you select this. Go to layer, change the layer of text to text layer. Okay. Once you have this, now the second position is, he says it is resting on corner, side opposite the corner is 15 mm. In this position, both the side and both the corner and the side is on HP. So now I will draw a line from the intersection point. I will draw this line of any length. So go to this. Now we will go for offset. Okay. Go to offset. Take the distance as 15. Type, specify offset distance 15. Select this line and offset it. Now I want to draw a circle. So how to draw a circle? You take any point on this line. For that, I have to enable nearest point. I will go for circle with a radius. What should be the radius? I will go for distance. Take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. So you got 21.65. So I'll go for circle, center point and radius. Take any point and draw a radius of 21.61. Okay. Now you disable, now disable nearest and disable these two also. Now you go for break, modify, break, select this and break it in the counterclockwise direction. From here also you remove it. Now I'll go for erase, remove this. Now I will enable center point. Okay. Then I will delete this line. I'll go to erase, select this line. So what I want to go for copy, select this line, copy this point, that is intersection point, to this center point. Take the cursor here. Okay. So here, once you want to do, so remove intersection and perpendicular. Okay. Click on this side. So now the center is coming here. So you just click on this point. So it will move to this. Then, so now we have taken the first point. Now I want this point to be placed on this. So to do that, I will go for rotate, select this point or this line and go to end point and also select intersection, because those two are the one which is required. Specify base point. I will take end point of this. Then I want the reference. So you type reference. Specify the reference angle. I will take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Then the new angle as the intersection point of this. So now you have placed this point. Once you do that, I will go for break, modify, break, remove this, select this and remove it. Similarly, select this and remove it. Now we go for line, select this intersection point now and go to remove this endpoint. So I'll go for intersection point, enable these two, take intersection point of this and draw a line. Then I will go for copy, disable these two now. Select copy and copy this here. Then similarly copy, take A dash and you keep it here. Similarly C dash and keep it here. So we have the second position front view. Now I want to write the top view for this. So to do that, I will go for line, select these two again, enable these two. Take intersection and draw a line. Similarly, take intersection and draw a line. Then you want perpendicular, you enable this also perpendicular. I will go for line, select intersection of these two, perpendicular to this. Then select this line and perpendicular to this. And you select this line and perpendicular to this. Now you go for fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two. Now I will go for line, select intersection to this intersection to this intersection. And now go to snap, remove perpendicular. Now I'll go for break at point, select this line, break at this point. Similarly, select this line, break at this point. Now I want to change, select this one, this line and this line. Go to layer, make that layer as visible line. Okay. Now we want to make this copy. So I will go for copy, disable these two, select A and copy this here. Similarly, select B, copy this here. And similarly, select this line, point and copy this here. Now we want to go for group. Select this entire thing now. Okay. And make it as a group. Okay. In the window selection. Now, then the side opposite, it makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Correct? You just come down to this now. So I will go for copy. Select this entire thing. Copy to the next position. Then I want to rotate, select this entire thing and go to enable this, take angle, take 60 degrees in counterclockwise direction. Then I want to move, select this one, select this and move it down now. Okay. Then I will go for perpendicular. Okay. Go to line. So before that, I will copy this. So go to copy, disable this, take A, keep it here, and take B, copy this here, and take C, and copy this here. Okay. Then I will go for line, select this perpendicular now. Yes. Enable this snap and also this one. Go to line, perpendicular to this, then go to line, draw this vertical line here. Similarly, draw this vertical line. And now we go for fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, between this line and this line. Now you go for line, take intersection to intersection to intersection. And now you go for break at point. Select this line, break at this point. Okay. Now you disable this perpendicular now. Go to CH on these three. Go to layer, make it as front. That is visible line. Okay. Then I'll go for D text, select this one and type capital letter Y now. Okay. Then I want to select this, go to layer and go to text layer. Okay. Now, similarly, I will go for copy, remove these two now. B dash, take this here now. Then A dash, select this and keep it here. Then copy, select this and keep it here. go to DD edit, remove caps lock and type C dash. Now you go for move, select this one and keep it. Then you go back and give the dimensions. So how to give the dimensions? Go to linear, select this one and give the dimension as 20. Then I will go for angular dimension from here to here now. Okay, and take this as 30 degrees. Now you go for angular dimension between these two now. So here he has given this as 44. Then I will go for DDIM and change the precision now. Go to angular, primary units, linear dimension is there, angular dimension, decimal in degrees, take second position and click OK and close it. Now you can see 43.86. This is also 43.86. So this is how you will be able to get the exact value. Then I will just go back to DDIM and change this modifier. Then go to precision, make it 0 now and say OK and close it. Now I will say explode. Then you select this, then I will go for dim TED, select this one and you keep it here. Okay. Explode, select this and go to erase now. Then I will go for multi-line text, select this one and go to symbol, select symbol and give the angle as theta. Okay. Then you go to move, remove these two, disable and take this and keep it here. Now I want to give the answer for this. So for that, I will go for copy, select this one and copy this here. Okay. Then I will go for text. Then I will go for 43.86 now. 43.86 percentage degree symbol. Okay. So once you do that, now you have this and here go to line, enable this, keep the ortho on, select this one and you select this one and you select this and this. Go to fillet in these two. Then again go for copy, select this and copy it here now. Then you go for text, then you type answers. So here answer. Okay. Now you go for move, select this and move it somewhere here. And now you just select this one, this line and this one. Go to layer, make that as text layer. Okay. So this is how you will be able to get the drawing of how to solve this uh, triangular lamina by using the AutoCAD software. Thank you.